Actually, I think that looks amazing. Even though most of those are chemtrails. And clouds moving in from the west. Might get some rain today. As you can see, it's really dark over that way to the north. And off to the north and the west, it's really cloudy. But that just really looks cool. Sun's right over there behind those clouds. I hear that lake tern. Wonder where he's at. Oh, right there. Lake tern. There's another one. And one more. Sitting on the light post. They're watching me. They must think I have something to eat. They're rather large birds. Thanks for watching.